Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix no internet in Hyper-V virtual machine. Type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Open Virtual Switch Manager. Select New Virtual Network Switch, select External Network. Create Virtual Switch. Select External Network, select Ethernet, or Wi-Fi connection. Click File, Settings. Select Network Adapter, select newly created virtual switch. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.